Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Smartsheet for collaboration, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Smartsheet and log into your account. Create a new sheet by clicking on the plus icon. Select the template that fits your collaboration needs or start with a blank sheet. Name your sheet to reflect the project or collaboration. Add columns that correspond to the data you need to track. Consider using column types like text, date, or dropdown for better categorization. Enter your data into the rows, ensuring each entry is clear and concise. To facilitate collaboration, click on the Share button in the upper right corner. Input the email addresses of team members you want to collaborate with. Set permissions for each member, choosing whether they can edit, view, or comment. Once shared, inform your team members about the collaboration and any key details they need to know. Use the comment feature on specific rows to discuss tasks or provide feedback. Check for updates regularly, as team members will be able to add notes and updates directly in the sheet. Utilize the Alerts and Actions feature to set up notifications for changes made by your team. Implement conditional formatting to visually distinguish completed tasks from those in progress. Leverage the card view for a visual representation of tasks, perfect for project management. Use Dashboard to create a high-level view of the project, showcasing key metrics and progress. Integrate Smartsheet with other tools your team uses for seamless workflow management. Regularly review the sheet with the team to ensure that everyone is on the same page. Adjust the sheet layout and structure as necessary to accommodate evolving project needs. Finally, document best practices and tips for using Smartsheet effectively for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.